Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass Netflix household on TV. The first method is to purchase additional user accounts. Log into your Netflix account and navigate to the Add Extra Member page. Choose Buy Now to add an extra member and enter their email address to send them an invite. The invitee can either transfer an existing Netflix profile or create a new profile from scratch. Once activated, extra members can be managed from your Netflix account page. The second method is to share the access code for temporary access. If Netflix detects an unfamiliar location, it may ask for verification. The primary account holder will receive a one-time access code via email or text. Enter the code to unblock temporary access on the new device. This method works well for travelers but is not a long-term solution for sharing accounts across multiple households. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello